Hi, this is Dave. David Likes Photography. This is a high school senior boy that I photographed back in my film days. I've scanned the film and opened it up back then in a program called Photoshop Elements. And very similar, it's an Adobe product. Here's what I did back then is I retouched the face and removed the blemishes. Here's without blemishes. Here's with blemishes. Okay, back to without again. And then to warm up the skin tone, I had a hue saturation adjustment in Photoshop Elements. Okay, and this is pretty much what the senior got back then as an output. And then more recently, with digital products, and I'm talking about plugins to Photoshop, as I now have Photoshop and plugins. One of the plugins is able to make adjustments to the face, and this is actually what one of the advanced plugins to the face does. And then I added some texture because this is an old film, it loses some of its texture, so I added a little more texture. And then in the end I added a vignette to darken it. And then to look at the full image, so this is a full image after. To take a look at it before, this was before, and this was after. It's just pretty amazing of what the new digital technology can do, and I just wanted to show you some of the behind the scenes adjustments that can be done in Photoshop. That's it. I'm Dave. David Likes Photography. Thanks for watching.